boy. Hey, I got the new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You gotta punch, then punch that 2 times from left to right.
Dang, why is it so full of water? I know it's right.
The North Atlantic Ocean.
The North Pacific Ocean.
Look how much water is in the Pacific Ocean. The South Pacific Ocean. Oh my God.
How come you can't just drink all this water?
I don't know. No, duh. It's salty.
But why?
They have a lot of ocean and rivers carrying dirty water that they pollute. So, like, there's like 1% fresh water that we can drink.
Wow.
But that leads to a possible question. Why does it rain?
Exactly.
Maybe
it
rains because God is crying. What's a water cycle?
The water cycle is made of condensation, evaporation, and precipitation.
And how does the evaporation process go?
When the water heats from the sun heats the water in the ocean, it evaporates into the sky. So the clouds, the water, the evaporation goes into the clouds. And when the clouds get too heavy to hold it, it starts to rain.
That from solid turns into liquid.
So if it
evaporates, then from liquid it turns into gas.
Because
all of this is called evaporation.
I was looking on Google and I found an experiment that we could all do together.
Oh,
what's it about?
Here's a list of materials.
We'll need a big bowl.
Look at this, glad plastic wraps. You know what I mean? You're gonna need like tape or string.
You gotta punch, then
Man, why'd you do that? And a small cup.
We're gonna need a little plastic bag of change. First, we're gonna put water in there.
But how much water?
Not too much, just a couple of inches.
Isn't that the magic?
Now we're gonna need a cup.
You don't say that. It gotta be flowing. You gotta be like, wow, it's flowing.
Wow, it's floating.
Let's put a little bit heavy
in it. Let's put something heavy in it to make it stop floating.
We're covering it up so the ink won't go out.
We're
gonna put the bowl by the window and watch see what's happening.
That's amazing, B. Where'd you come up with this?
Guys, come see this.
B, what's up?
Guys, you see, yesterday, remember, there wasn't no water in the cup. And now there's water in the cup.
Amazing.
What happened?
It evaporated, didn't it? I think it condensated. I think it evaporated to the plastic, and then it dribbled off into the cup.
That's my part.
We just learned about the water cycle.
Evaporation.
Condensation.
Precipitation.
Now we are going to learn about the 3 states of matter.
Brother, solid.
And liquid.
And gas. This here water is made up of little tiny molecules. Those molecules are called H2O. H2O stands for, oh God. H2O stands for two hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Like that.
When it is cold, these things called molecules are very still and close together because it is very dense. When it is liquid, it becomes very dense and slowly moves apart because it has so much activity. When it's very hot, it turns to gas and it moves very far apart, and it goes back in. When it goes up in the sky, it becomes very colder and it turns into liquid.
Soldier Boy, Hey, I got the new cloud called the Soldier Boy.
It condensates into a cloud and it starts to rain. Okay, we got it.
Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that hoe? Now why me you crank that Soldier Boy? Why me you crank that Soldier Boy? Why me you crank that Soldier Boy? Why me you